friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Realme 6 device, and finally I got my hands on with the Realme 6 phone, friends. And in this video, I'll be unboxing the phone. And if you have any queries regarding the smartphone, you can message to the WhatsApp. But there is a problem with my WhatsApp number, friends. I'm using the Indian WhatsApp, and right now I'm in the Australia, so it's there's some network issues with the WhatsApp. So it's better to contact me in the Instagram, friends. So I'll leave the link in description below. So try to contact me in the Instagram, and don't forget to follow my channel, friends, definitely. And if you're not getting any replies in the WhatsApp, don't get sad, friends. Definitely try in the Instagram, and I'll be updated with the Instagram in all my phones, whatever phone I use. But WhatsApp is the problem is that I need to use the specific phone which the WhatsApp has installed. So that is only the problem, friends. Every time I keep on changing the phones, and every time I cannot use the same phone every day. So that's why I thought of switch to the Instagram, and even in the Telegram I created the group. So if you are interested, try to follow in the Telegram group, friends, and stay up to date about all the phones. And definitely I'll be doing in-depth comparison with the Realme 6 display versus the Redmi Note 9 Pro display, which a lot of viewers are asking me in terms of the screen quality. So definitely I'll be doing the plenty of videos comparison test between Poco X2 and the Realme 6 and Redmi Note 9 Pro and the Realme 6 and other phones. So let's get started with the unboxing video, friends. And also, if you are interested, don't forget to check out my recently uploaded video, friends, which will be very interesting in terms of the battery drain. So I did plenty of comparison videos as well, Poco X2 versus the Redmi Note 9 Pro, so while playing the PUBG game. So definitely take a look at the video, friends, and let's get started with the unboxing of the phone right now. And don't forget to follow my Instagram page, friends. I'll be very active in the Instagram starting from now. So I'll be posting all the camera samples in the Instagram, friends. So before I did not take that much serious of using the Instagram, but right now I got plenty of phones, so I decided to use the Instagram as a platform to post all the images taken from the phones. So here is the phone, friends. The color is of blue color, which I've ordered. So basically I don't like the white color because it attracts a lot of the dust particles. And this is a blue color, friends, so which a lot of my phones are of blue color. Let me even show you what are the contents you get. And this is the Australian type standard connection you get, and this is the 30 volts, and here you get the USB cable. And definitely, friends, stay tuned for more videos. I'll be doing plenty of videos, friends. Trust me, there will be so many comparison videos coming in the next couple of days. So plenty of videos in terms of display and other features explaining them, friends. So let me turn on the phone. And this is not the Chinese version, friends. This is the Australian version, which got separately released in Australia. So recently the Realme, they have planned to release plenty of phones even in Australia, friends. As you can see, the product is only for the sale and use in Australia, which is clearly mentioned on the box. So that's how I got my hands on with the Realme 6 device. Otherwise it would now not be possible to buy this phone. And my Realme 6 phone in India, it got stuck with my friends, and I am thinking to sell that Realme 6 device which is in India. So if you are interested, do message me in the Instagram, friends, definitely. So that's it, friends. This is a quick unboxing video and just an update to clarify all the doubts and where you want you to message. So you need to message in the Instagram, friends, for any queries you are having. And that's it for this video, friends. For more videos, subscribe to my channel, Sai Tech Guru. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.